G'day everyone, I'm David and this is my Tabletop Standard, and today we're going to be unboxing my spacehulk game, which was wonderfully gifted to me by my oldest brother. He had 2 copies and he decided I could have one, so I feel very blessed to have it. If it wasn't for him, I actually just wouldn't have this game at all. I've only played the game the once. It was with one of my brothers. He played the Tyranids and I played Space Marines. I hadn't realised how aggressive you needed to play as Space Marines because you just get overwhelmed so quickly by the Tyranids. Slow and steady does not win the race in this case. You have to push through to the objective quick and fast and be very assertive. In the top left here, I've got all my small tiles, so all my T intersections, crossroads and L intersections. Underneath it, I've got my corridors. So I've got they range from 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And I've just got all my really little corridor end pieces and things like that just at the end with them. I made a custom tray on the right hand side there. It's got all your tokens, all your side damage tokens, your flame tokens, your dice, Overwatch tokens, all the bips which say where the Tyranids are. Doesn't say how many of them there are, but lets you know where they're coming in from, and the flame tokens. Also got all my objective miniatures in the same tray, just to keep all the objective and token based things all together. I'd also like to thank Gabriel, who provides my music each and every video. I greatly appreciate him. He is a great musician, and if you're interested in his channel, if you like his music, his link is in the card above. So underneath it I have my door bases. Next to them is the actual doors. And then I've got my large rooms. So these are all your 3x3 rooms or 3x4 rooms. I think there's even a 4x4 room at the very bottom. I'm not 100% sure. And then just got my miniatures in the middle. I built this foam core insert for my box because I originally tried to make it neat without an insert, but everything sort of just crashed around with each other, and I was worried that the miniatures were going to get damaged. I found it hard to try and keep them separate from the cardboard components. So I just went to my art and framing store and got a big sheet of foam core, which isn't really too dear, and I made this box insert out of it. I actually have made several box inserts. Any game that has a box insert that I don't like, I'll remake a box insert for, because custom box inserts are just way more practical than often the ones that come with it, and way more space efficient. I will sometime down the track make a video on how to make box inserts. They're very simple and extremely fun to do. I love doing craft activities, hence I love my painting and my modelling. I also really enjoy cutting and gluing all this foam core and making my boxes that bit neater. And if you do like my content, I would encourage you to subscribe. It just helps more people see my videos. If you do like it, hit that like button. And if you have any comments, I would love to hear what you have to say. If you have any ideas on future videos or things you would particularly like to see how I do things or anything of the sort, just put it in the comments below and I'll take it on board.